Afternoon, everyone. I just listened to a presentation that's on YouTube that is by Gert Vanden. Sorry, I'm fully no makeup or anything today. I've had a lovely day-to-day catching up with friends and having my hair done and yada, yada, yada. Anywho, so I just listened and I was on the motorbike, which is why I've got helmet hair, but whatever. So I just listened to a presentation by Gerrit Vanden Bosch, and he discusses all the ins and outs of the immunity going on the planet. Now, I think on you, anyway, I've actually put it in my saved in here, and I think it's in the file, the playlist, Doctors and Researchers or something like that. So anyway, I think it's called something like Presentation by Gert Vanden Bosch and Peter McCullough. Now, I just listened for an hour. Peter McCullough wasn't in there. That's fine. It was really good. So what it does is describes all the different types of immunity and what is going on with the elderly, what's going on with the young, why some people are getting really unwell. It describes the different types of immunity. Some are short-lived, some are innate, some we, have when we're born. It's a really good presentation. So if you want to know what's going on, have a listen. Anyway, and then he sort of talks about stuff like immune escape. So when he wrote a letter a few months ago to bigwigs around the world and was ignored, what he wants is a scientific debate about what's going on. So isn't that what we all want? Instead of people saying the science is settled, the science is settled, the science is settled, that's not what's happening. We're not being, so scientists like him who's got 30 years in the field, he should be listened to. Anywho, it's a really good interview. If you're interested, go check it out. Okay, bye.